Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you 5 work from home jobs that you can do from the comfort of your own home. And don't worry, I'll put all the links in the comment section below so you'll have them to access after the video. Now the first website I'll show you today is Vanan. Now Vanan is a language service business that specializes in translation, transcription, voiceover, captioning, subtitling, audio description, and typing. And the two main types of job that they offer are freelance and contracted work. Now, as a freelancer, you would be given more freedom of time. You can select your own schedule. So persons who already work a 9 to 5, a freelance job would be more suitable for you. Now, for the contracted work, they would give you a set time that you have to work, a list of requirements, etc., similar to a 9 to 5. So let me walk you through the process here. So there are 5 jobs currently as a translator, transcriptor, captioner, typer, subtitler. So let me go through translation. So if you're good with languages, you're bilingual, you can speak multiple languages, and translation has always been a fashion. This could be something that you apply for. So you will be required to enter your name, your email, your country, your state, your targeted language. So if you're good with Spanish, we'll select Spanish here, and it has a box for comments. So comments would be what separates you from the other person applying for the job, what experience, skills, knowledge do you have to offer the organization, and you're basically selling yourself why they should hire you, why you would be the best fit for the organization, etc. Now let me show you some of the benefits. Okay, so some of the benefits of Vanan are career development and growth opportunities, great work environment, bonus and incentives, which is great because you always want to be motivated to keep working harder and harder, and paid time off for vacation, wellness perks, and it is always remote. Now the second job I'll show you today is E-moderator. Now E-moderators is a text-based website that allows you to make money from sending text. So the more amount of text you send is the more money you make. Simple. Now they're currently hiring for chat moderators. The role of a chat moderator is to engage in text-based chat on an adult social network. So the objective of the role is to help entertain the user with stimulating conversation and encourage the engagement of a long-lasting relationship. So the key factors they're looking for are ability to create and develop imaginative and engaging experience to the user, build rapport, and to ensure customer has a positive experience. You're positive, you're giving good vibes, so that the customer can always come back to the website. No one wants to go anywhere to a website or any place in general with negative persons, so you always have to put your best. The application process is very simple. You would enter your name, your email, your age, your country, your Skype. So if you don't have a Skype, you will be required to get one. Work experience, then you press next and finish the application. So let me give you some more information here. So what does E-moderators offer? You're able to choose your own hours. You can be your own boss. So you can work whenever you want. If you want to wake up at 12 midday and start working, you can do that. If you want to work early in the morning and go on the road or anything, you can do that. There's also competitive salary. So whether it's your main job or it's your side hustle, they give the best rates in industry and they pay weekly. So you have money coming in every week. And it's freedom of work. So whether you want to work at home or on the beach, or you can work from anywhere. So if you're interested in this job, you could apply for it, and that's E-moderator. Now the third job I'll show you today is Automotive. Now Automotive has several benefits for working for them. So here are a few of them. You have flexible hours, open communication, unlimited paid time off, paid parental leave, profit dividend, perks program, tech stipend, you can work from anywhere, company retreats, health, dental and vision insurance, yearly bonus, anniversary presents, professional development, and life insurance. So they're a family company, they're very friendly, they have several benefits to work for them. And they're currently hiring. The current open jobs are enterprise sales representative, WordPress technical writer, Android and iOS library developer, WordPress developer, WordPress support team manager, and WordPress technical support. So let me walk you through the application process for the enterprise sales representative. And it's very simple here. So you would go to apply for this job. You will need to enter your name, your email, your phone number, your resume, your cover letter, etc., your location, your desired pay. So it's a pretty straightforward application for Awesome Motive. And what are they looking for? So for this job specifically, is they require a bachelor's degree in business administration, marketing, or a related field, 3+ years of enterprise sales experience, proven track record, excellent interpersonal skills, problem-solving skills, etc. So if you fit the bill and you think that this is a good job for you, you can apply for Awesome Motive. Now, the fourth and final job I'll show you today is Varsity Tutors, a website that creates personalized learning experiences using innovative technologies. They specialize in connecting experts in a field to learners on their secured website. So as you can see here, there are currently several vice president, data scientists, customer retention specialists. There are several jobs available here. So let me walk you through the application process for the customer retention work from home. So here it is. So the qualifications needed, you need to be fluent in English, account management, client relations, etc. Education, teaching, or tutoring experience is preferred but not required. High empathy and emotional intelligence, strong problem-solving skills, conflict management skills, ability to remain calm and professional in stressful situations, excellent verbal and written communication, and you need to be able to work independently. And the network requirements are high-speed internet via wired Ethernet connection of working with the varsity. They have competitive hourly rates, which is $8 per hour. Full-time position, which is 40 hours per week, is fully remote, and they offer a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to transform how the world works. They also have a fun, collaborative, and team-oriented work environment with plenty of training and feedback-rich culture. So the application process is simple. You could apply with LinkedIn, or you could enter manually with your first name, last name, email, phone number, expected hourly rate, street address, WhatsApp number, and you will submit your application here. So that's Varsity Tutors. So today we covered 4 work from home jobs. Guys, that's the end of the video. If you want more content, like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you will see all my uploads.